Hey there, traders! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Forex trading but feeling overwhelmed by all the broker options out there? Don't worry. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about choosing the best Forex broker that's just right for you. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what a Forex broker actually does. A Forex broker is essentially your gateway to the currency market. They provide you with a platform to trade currencies, access to market data, and sometimes even tools and resources to help you make informed decisions. But remember, not all brokers are created equal. The right broker for you depends on your trading style, experience level, and even your long-term goals. One of the most critical factors when choosing a Forex broker is regulation. You want to make sure your broker is licensed and regulated by a reputable authority. Why? Because regulation ensures that your broker adheres to strict financial standards and practices, protecting your investment. Look for brokers regulated by top-tier bodies like the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA in the UK, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, or the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CSEC. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Next up, let's talk money. Specifically, the costs associated with trading. Brokers typically make their money through spreads and commissions. The spread is the difference between the buy and sell price of a currency pair. Ideally, you want a broker that offers tight spreads, especially if you're a frequent trader. Some brokers also charge commissions per trade or have fees for deposits, withdrawals, or even inactivity. Make sure to read the fine print and compare costs before committing. The trading platform is where the magic happens. It's your command center for placing trades, analyzing the market, and managing your positions. You want a platform that's user-friendly, reliable, and packed with features that match your trading style. Popular platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5 are industry standards, but some brokers offer their own proprietary platforms with unique features. Explore your options and maybe even try out a demo account before making a decision. Good customer support can make or break your trading experience, especially if you're new to Forex. Imagine encountering a technical issue in the middle of a trade. You'll want a broker who's quick to respond and resolve problems. Look for brokers that offer 24/7 support, multiple contact methods, and educational resources like webinars, tutorials, and market analysis. A broker that invests in your success is always a good sign. Depending on your trading strategy and experience level, you might need a specific type of account or leverage option. Some brokers offer accounts with varying minimum deposits, while others provide higher leverage for more experienced traders. Be cautious with leverage. While it can amplify your profits, it also increases your risk. Choose a broker that offers flexible leverage options so you can adjust as you grow as a trader. Finally, reputation matters. What are other traders saying about the broker? Check out reviews, ratings, and testimonials. A broker with a solid reputation and positive feedback is usually a safe bet. But don't just take others' word for it. Do your own research and see if the broker's offerings align with your needs. So, to recap, when choosing a Forex broker, consider regulation, trading costs, platform usability, customer support, account types, and reputation. It might seem like a lot, but doing your homework now will save you headaches later. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your broker experiences. Let's learn from each other. Thanks for watching and happy trading.